Oh, good, no fractions. Okay, step 1, draw the wall. Step 2, circle the variable. Step 3, get rid of what's on the outside by doing the opposite. Opposite of -9 is +9. The 9's cancel each other out. Bring down your 5x. 16 plus 9 is what? 25. Last step, divide. These cancel to 1. X equals 5. On the next slide, the first step is to add 9. To both sides. Don't be lazy, write the whole thing in with the period. When you take your exit ticket, if the answer is 5, you just type in 5. Don't type in x equals 5. You might put too many spaces or something and get it marked wrong. And then the other one is a drop down. It's going to ask you what was the first step. So choose correctly from the drop down menu. And that is it. You are ready.